We're Team Ocean's5, and today we're going to introduce our solution of Challenge 5, the LPA chatbot. First, I'm going to talk about the UI of our chatbot. We name it as the LeNe bot. To draw attention from our users, we use strong color distinction to represent the chatbot button with sentences of instructions on the left. On the chatbot window, user can ask questions, and if the user didn't provide the state information in their initial request, we will ask them. If the answer is too long, considering the readability of the content, we will provide a redirect button on the bottom right corner to let user read the full context in a pop-up window, which will not change the user current path, and user can easy to control it.
And here is the flowchart of our LeNe bot. When the chatbot gets user input, it will first check whether the question is specific enough since the answer depends on different levels of different states. If no state information provided, it will ask for the user input certain state. Then use the user query as well as index topic to decide the highest scored topic. After this, in the scope of the certain topic, estimate the closest question based on similarity calculation between query and questions. If no follow-up question under this question, return answer directly. If there are follow-up questions, we'll return the answer of this main question, then trigger the user to choose a follow-up question, then return the short answer for this specific sub-question.
Now we are going to show our program. We'll run the program. It will finish load the data. So now, firstly, we will enter a question with state in it. And it will recognize the state California in the question and show the answer of the California. And next, we are going to show a question without the state information. It will ask user to input a state. We enter CA, it will recognize as California and return the same result as the first example. And then we are going to test the follow-up questions. Firstly, we will input question with follow-up questions but user didn't specify the follow-up question. So as expected, it will return the short answer first and then ask users to specify follow-up question. For example, if we input 1, it will show the results of employer coverage for that question. Finally, we will test if a user already specified follow-up questions in the user input. As expected, it will directly return the answer for that specific question. That's the end of our presentation.
Thank you.